Best bet I'm haunted, if I'm being honest.
That I wrote for you. I give thanks for listening when I spoke to you. I appreciate everything that you've done for me. Every sacrifice and the one and only son for me. When I fall, you're always right there to pick me up. There's as many reasons why I should always lift you up. You're not only God, but you're my father and a friend. The Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end.